So video is being used more and more by businesses to supplement or completely replace traditional marketing strategies. Today, I'll walk through 9 ways your business can use video across its website and social media. Hi, I'm Rob Devroy, Creative Director at Capture Video Marketing. First, we'll start with product overviews. So if your company sells any physical products, it's a great idea to feature a video alongside the product specifications. More and more consumers prefer watching a video as opposed to reading a description or specifications of a product. You can use this video to explain the products, the benefits, the features, and then most importantly, how you'll deliver a solution to your customer's problem through your product. How-to videos generally fall under content marketing. These videos are intended to provide value to your customer by addressing that question or problem they may have. Think about what questions your customers might be searching for. Then you can go in and create a detailed guide on how to solve that. This will establish your business as an authority and establish trust with your brand. Customer service and support can be a huge cost to a business. Fortunately, video could bring down those costs by creating videos that show how to solve some of the most common issues associated with your product. This is great also for your customers because they much rather watch a video as opposed to being on the phone. All right, so recruitment and retention. Video is a great way at communicating the culture of your company and showing potential candidates how they might fit into your company. You can feature a specific job, have someone talk about the day-to-day there, what they like about it, some of the responsibilities, and your company as a whole. Video will lead to more people applying to your job, but more importantly, you getting more qualified candidates. Additionally, video can be used to celebrate employee successes and achievements. It's important that employees feel value, and video is a great way to show the importance of them to the company. All right, so customer testimonials. We create a video on this that goes a little bit more in depth, but customer testimonials are a great way to show the real-world solutions of your business. Have a customer talk about your brand, why they chose your brand, and then what makes your brand better. Testimonials are a great way to establish social proof of your brand. You can use testimonials on your website, in social media, and in email marketing. You can use video to give a viewer a quick introduction to your brand through a company video. These videos are 1 to 3 minutes and talk about your products and services, where you sell your products and services, who you sell them to, and then finally, what sets your company apart from the competition. This will quickly give the viewer everything they need to know about your business and show how your company will bring a solution to their problem. Photos can only do so much in providing a customer a quick look at your business. You can use video to create a virtual tour or interactive walkthrough of your facility. Manufacturers can create a factory tour video to schedule in-person tours. Hotels can show the rooms and amenities guests may have. And then restaurants can use video to create a virtual tour that shows the experience and overall feel of the establishment. Brand stories introduce new customers to your brand in a very concise and scripted way. Essentially, they communicate the mission of your brand and the feelings associated with it. They're very personable and connect to your audience by painting your brand as the hero. They usually fall in line with what you may consider a traditional advertisement or commercial. Businesses usually use these in a paid advertising strategy, such as Facebook and YouTube ads, but you can also use these in your organic video strategy as well. You can use video to announce new changes and updates to your business. If you're opening a new location or adding a new hire, video is a great way to announce this because it's shareable by your audience. If you're feeling ambitious, you can try doing a live video where you can directly interact with customers as you announce new changes. So we hope this video gives you some ideas on how you can integrate video into your business. These 9 ideas are just scratching the surface because there's really no limit on the ways you can use video for marketing. When we create videos, we always focus on the objective. What is the problem that you're trying to solve, and how will this video help grow your business? This is how we start every project, and we see this through every stage of the video production process. If you have any questions how you can use video for your business, we would love to help. Capture Video Marketing is a creative video marketing agency located in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We specialize in video marketing for businesses. Again, I'm Rob, and thanks for watching.